Dindo sa loob. Samantalang Hison, sumalaksak. Piet! Pasok!
Hison natuto ng pumasa katulad ng kanyang coach, ha?
In the 2 outings he has performed for the Hot Dogs. That will count plus a foul. That's what he believes in. Hinebra na daw.
Taga Malabon naman ito.
As we enter 8 minutes and 39 left in this first quarter. Hey, this is a battle of 3-point bombs. So, mabilis na bumaba si JB Gayoso. JB nagmamadali. No basket. Offensive foul.
Although, I think tama yung ginawa ni JP Gayoso dahil alam mo mali si Ravena, pinapunta niya sa kanan, and Sonny Jaworski might get an early technical here because he was complaining about that call. No, nabigyan nga ng technical foul maaga si Sonny dito. Pero alam mo, Sonny really should come because this happened opposite where he was sitting, no? Let's see. He pushes off with the left hand and that's clear, no? So, medyo inflamed konti si Sonny dahil I think he also wants Gayoso to come up and perform better.
Bagamat walang import ang Alaska. We'll tell you more about that in a short while. Ravena twisting in the air. Got a foul from Gayoso. And Gayoso getting some quick instructions from the legend. Mantala, 9 minutes and 3 seconds ang nalalabi. Harencio spending too much time dueling with Racela. He sent it, however, to Gayoso, who misses. Gayoso plucks it back, fakes. Ayaw! Codinera battling with the Giants. It will stay with Hinebra. Last touch si Jerry. James working the baseline. Scoots inside. At kahit nung last game, kapansin-pansin, ang hilig na niya mag-drive.
Here now is the starting lineup for Pure Foods, TJ Hotdogs.
Test mic. Yan. Baba konti. Kapiraso. Konti lang. Okay, that's it.
At guard, number 1, Bong Ravena. At center, number 44, Jerry Codinera. At forward, number 8, Derek Gervin. And at forward, number 16, Alvin Patrimonio. Assistant coaches Eric Altamirano, head coaches Sean Reyes. And now starting for Hinebra Santiago. Number 25, Pedro Harencio. Number 11, JB Gayoso. At center, number 32, EJ Fire. At forward, number 45, Henry James. At forward, number 13, Mario Killer. Assistant coaches are Kevin Cesar, Reno Salazar, head coaches Sonny Jaworski.
We are ready to rock and roll here at the Cuneta Astrodome. A pleasant Sunday evening to all of you out there. As we take a look at the starting lineups, more or less standard issue na ito para sa Hinebra San Miguel.
Yes, but they are using the two big men together with Henry James, and that should really make their forward lineup a very tall one. At the same time, nakita mo si James ang una nakatanggap ng tapik. Goes for a medium-range jump shot, and it's all net.
Sa warm-up pa lang yun.
Yeah. Now, on the other hand, si Racela is starting off instead of Dindo Pumare. Napansin mo dahil si Racela parang pag masyado maganda laro ni Dindo, hindi na siya nakakabuelo, hindi ba?
Yes.
So, good steal there by Gervin, but he doesn't get the ball to fall in. Si Ravena ang isang gwardiya para sa Pure Foods.
That shot does not work. So 2 attempts by the TJ Hotdogs, wala pong naiproduce. Harencio kay James Aquino, kasama niya si File at saka si Gayoso. Penetration ni James, ayaw. At nakuha ni Gervin ang bola, kasama niya si Racela, Patrimonio, Codinera at Ravena. Lumusot ang pasa!
Very nice lead bounce pass made by Racela. So that should, alam mo siguro iniisip ni Chut. Medyo I'll get Racela to warm up. Dahil I think Dindo is much more of a veteran and he can come off the bench and still give me the good minutes that I expect.
Yes. Turnaround shot, a bit too strong. By the way, the officials for this one, Ernie De Leon, Vic Bartolome, and Franco Ilaga. Here comes Racela. Ravena, the recipient in the corner. 3-point shot. Yes!
Nakakadalawa na si Ravena, dalawang field goals, one of them being a triple B. So all of a sudden, the Hot Dogs are on top by 3 points. No? Medyo mabagal ang baba ng transition defense against fast break ng Hinebra San Miguel.
James!
You know, the Ginebra crowd, I would say, outnumbers the Pure Foods by about 65 to 35% or maybe 70 to 30. Eh silang rumaratyada, so siyempre sila ganado eh, no?
Jericho Tiniera snaps, ayaw, rebound na sungkit ni Marlo. Pabilis na bumaba si JB Gayoso. JB nagmamadali, no basket, offensive foul.
Although, I think tama yung ginawa ni JB Gayoso dahil alam mo mali si Ravena, pinapunta niya sa kanan, and Sonny Jaworski might get an early technical here because he was complaining about that call. Oh, nabigyan nga ng technical foul maaga si Sonny dito. Pero alam mo, Sonny really should come because this happened opposite where he was sitting, no? Let's see. He pushes off with the left hand and that's clear, no? So, medyo inflamed konti si Sonny dahil I think he also wants Gayoso to come up and perform better.
Ginebra, of course, stepping out of a big win against Alaska just Friday night at the Araneta Coliseum.
Napili na yata ng Ginebra yung Araneta Coliseum.
They like that venue. Although na-stop na nila yung kanilang curse dito, so to speak. Ano?
Yeah, they've won here also, no? Matawa sa akin si Bert nito.
Lamang ang TJ Hotdogs ng isa. Nice break! Yes!
Well, Kerbin must be also all pumped up, no? Because alam niya siguro ang rivalry ng these two teams in the past, no? In the past, it's almost always been Pure Foods taking advantage of the fact that they have a stronger lineup. Pero ngayon, medyo tagilid yata sila ng konti, no?
Oh, yes!
Nakita mo, pumalakpak si Chot Reyes. Hindi porket pumasok yung tira ni Harencio. Siyempre, hindi yun. But because his team played good defense, the guy made a difficult shot.
Irvin, his reply. Beginning to like it here.
Well, both imports are noted for their scoring, no, for their ability to shoot from the outside. So, we might see a very nice matchup here in this ball game today.
Yes, a shootout. Samantala, 9 minutes and 3 seconds ang nalalabi. Harencio spending too much time dueling with Racela. He sent it, however, to Gayoso, who misses. Gayoso plucks it back, fakes. Ayaw! Codinera battling with the Giants. It will stay with Ginebra. Last touch si Jerry.
Well, alam mo si Gayoso, medyo siguro after having been called for that offensive foul, nagkaroon ng konting, what we call this, nervyos sa ilalim, no? I mean, those are easy shots. Ang ganda naman ang galaw nito si James pero hindi pumasok.
Parang kulang na elevation yung jump shot na yun.
Binibi niya yung kanyang jump shot.
Exactly.
Pure Foods
Yes.
still on top by 2.
As we enter 8 minutes and 39 left in this first quarter. Hey, this is a battle of 3-point bombs. So far, Pure Foods unloading 2. One from Ravenna, one from Patrimonio. On the other hand, Ginebra sumagot na rin ang dalawa. Isa galing kay Harencio at kay James.
Ay si Marlo na sundot yata doon, so medyo hinagahanap ng konting paunawa from the referee kung nasaan yung foul, pero hawak-hawak niya yung bola, pinabayaan na lang ni referee Del Leon. Hindi na niya binigyan ng warning, no?
Ito yung isang naging reaction din ni Marlo nung game against Alaska.
Na-thrown out pa nga siya, di ba?
Naghahanap-hanap din siya ng mga foul. Samantala, Ravenna umiikot at natawagan ng isang offensive foul. 13-10 ang ating count, mga kababayan. 7 minutes 59 seconds ang nalalabi dito po sa ating first quarter of play.
Well, natawagan nga siya ng hooking, but in a way, pwede rin naman nga nakaangat yung paa ni EJ File with a very tight defense. Walang tumutulong kay Gayoso. May problema na ngayon si Harencio, so he has to throw cross-court.
Lakas ng pukol niya. Diagonal cross-court pa yan. 13 Gs ang ating pinlag. Lamang ang TJ Hotdogs. 7:50 remaining dito po sa ating first quarter. Dahil na nabanggit namin yung Dr. J naglagay ang Alaska laban sa Santa Lucia. Bagamat walang import ang Alaska. We'll tell you more about that in a short while. Ravenna twisting in the air. Got a foul from Gayoso. And Gayoso getting some quick instructions from the legend.
Well, they tried a low post play on the other end. And medyo alanganin na siya. He should not throw a pass like that, especially a low pass. Even though Aquino is 6'9", you know, you have Patrimonio fronting him 6'3", and medyo marunong naman tumalon si Alvin. He's going to be able to deflect that kind of a pass, a lob pass. So what happened is after the miscue, nagkaroon ng fast break on the other end. And Ravenna is leading the Hotdogs here in scoring with 6 points right now, no?
Yes. Alam mo ito si JV Gayoso, you know, you can't fault him for the fact he wants to do well in each game.
Oo.
It's just a bundle of nervous energy, Dr. J.
And if it should really be much more controlled. And like here, they are forcing the play on Marlo Aquino because he has that mismatch. Pero yan, he goes to the other side. James is wide open, misses that three-point shot, however.
And the Hot Dogs, keep in mind, have a 5-point advantage. And are trying to be as patient as possible. Gervin, naipit. 7:14 to go. Mananatili ang bola sa panig ng Blue Shirts ng TJ Hot Dogs.
Gervin seems to be about an inch taller than Henry James, although officially measured at 6 feet 5 3/4. Pero sa Amerika, puro mga 6'7" ito.
Traveling.
Weakness ni Bong Rabena yan.
Yun na nga, napapansin na nga natin yan. Ano?
Pero he's very active in offense. You see that the ball has gone to him several times dito sa laban na ito. And he's been maneuvering his way in for those shots. We're going to have a holding foul on
Derek
Gervin.
Unang foul ni Gervin. At ang ating mga kupunan ay may tigisan ng team foul dito sa ating unang quarter. Nakakatuwa yung mga litrato ni Velasco kanina. No? Naka-sailor suit pala siya kanina.
He's a Navy man, that's why.
Yes. Onyok the Sailor Man.
Yeah.
Samantala, libre si Olsen. Beams in a bit masyadong matulis, ano?
That's right. And Marlo Aquino quickly controls the defensive rebound. Score has been steady at 15-10. Matagal na. Couple of miscues here.
Donaldo pass, misfires at ang bola ay nasa panig na ng Pure Foods. Hanap-hanap ng Ginebra isang pagkakataon na maitabla nila ang kasalukuyang record ng Alaska, 10-4. Alaska back on top of the standings with that win earlier.
And finally, si Gervin continues to hit from the outside. 7 na po ang lamang dito ng Hot Dogs with 6 minutes and 14 seconds dito sa first half.
Gervin has 6 points. He has averaged 28 in the 2 outings he has performed for the Hot Dogs. That will count plus a foul. That's what he believes in. Ginebra na daw.
Taga Malabon naman ito. Medyo talaga may konting advantage and the Hot Dogs must double team or triple team quickly because Aquino has the height advantage against Patrimonio. And of course, there is the youth factor right now. Now, Marlo is about 6 years younger than Aldin. Pasok na rin ang kumpiyansa ni Marlo Aquino in this conference, although long on that free throw shot.
Half a quarter has gone by us here. Marcela starting off in this particular encounter. Gervin with that long jump, no go. Follows it up, uses the glass. Wala, Rabena. Nothing there.
Madaling follow-up para kay Rabena yun, ha?
Gayoso picking up steam. Just won't roll in. Marlo tries to put it back. Nagkaroon ng foul.
Well, Gayoso has to thank his lucky stars. He's been taking some bad shots here at this point. Medyo pilit na pilit yung tira na yun, but there is Marlo to rescue him.
Samantala, pinindot ng Ginebra San Miguel ang timeout buzzer. Coming to you live from the Cuneta Astrodome on this Sunday evening. 5:37 na lang po ang nalalabi dito sa ating quarter. Ang TJ Hot Dogs with their backs against the wall, as we would like to call it here. A team that has to win all of the remaining 5 games, including this one, to be able to avail of that win 5 of 8 incentive. They have yet to win a ball game here in this semifinal round.
Kaya nga and the point is, pag natalo sila, 10 na Ginebra, 10 na Alaska, hindi na sila pwedeng ma-primera o segundo by only winning 4 games. So you have to start somewhere, and this is the first game of their long trip back, if they can come back,
Patrimonio bumped, no foul. And it's in the hands of the Gins with 5:22 remaining. Narito si Harencio, binagalan. Antabay si Racela. Big screen by Paul. Pido with a triple, number 2.
Dalawa na ang triple B ni Pido Harencio. He has also been chosen as one of the most valuable players for a game, for one of Ginebra's game. I think it was in Araneta. I don't remember. Nice drive by Gervin, and he elicits and gets the contact. Magaling yung kanyang style doon sa play na yun, ha? maagang mapapalitan siguro si JB Gayoso dito o one of the other big guys, no? Ay, tignan natin dahil si Noli Loxing ba yung papunta ron sa bench, sa scorer's bench kasama si Hison. Marami.
Ito naman si Gervin, 5 eskinita. 3 shortcut yung dinaanan bago na ipasok yun. The side view attempt. Yes! Oh, ito na si Mr. Reyes. Si Edmond unable to suit up for tonight due to an injury. Inside 5 minutes po tayo. Lamang ng 3 ang kupunan ni Chop Reyes. Jamie in and out!
Talaga may kamalasang konti si JB Gayoso. Alam na niya papalitan siya ni Hison kaya pumukol na.
Grabe na, ganun din. Samantala si Fight, tinakot lang yung bola.
Yan ang mga advantage sa mga 7-footers.
Yes, indeed.
Nauna si Gayoso sa bola eh. Walang control. Yan lang ang problema niya. He's not a bad player but he's got to be able to control himself.
Kasi offensive threat pa rin siya eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
And all he has to do is just keep on moving, get himself free, you know. Katulad noon, may maganda naman ang pasa sa kanya pero nauna siya sa bola eh.
He wants to do well. Yung energy niya talaga eh. 2017. And Gervin uncorks. Ayaw. Ito si Hison. Kailia ng mga fans ni Hison. Time remaining 4 minutes and 11 seconds. We're still in the opening quarter, friends. James working the baseline. Scoots inside.
Ooh.
At kahit nung last game, kapansin-pansin, ang hilig na niya mag-drive.
Hindi, marami na siyang ginagawa. Alam niya, binabantayan siya sa 3-point territory.
Tama.
Inaabangan siya doon sa unang jump shot niya. Kaya he will always take advantage of that by driving. Dito pumarin. Block.
By the way, hindi ko nabanggit na nandito na si Dindo sa loob. Samantalang Hison, sumalaksak. Piyet! Pasok!
Hison natuto ng pumasa katulad ng kanyang coach. Ha? No look, pass. And, you know, Noli Loxing expects those kind of passes, no?
That was a tough play to conclude, Dr. J. Ala ko, ipit na si Hison nun.
Nakita mo naman siya. He's coming off the bench. He's cool. Hindi siya namimilit eh.
Alvin with that patented spin, and the lead is back in the hands of the TJ Hot Dogs even before Ginebra fans can start their Ginebra.
Well, naumpisa na nila. So sabi ni Alvin, teka muna, relax boys.
Narito si Pido Harencio. Marlu.
Ito naman sabi ni Marlo, babalik ko na naman sa amin ang hiyawan.
And Marlo Aquino has pocketed 8 points. They believe. We've got a timeout. Tayo po ay may 3 minutes to go dito sa unang yugto. 23-22, lamang ang Ginebra, San Miguel. Nasa loob na si Glenn Capaccio ng Pure Foods. Alvin Patrimonio. Sabi ni referee Franco Ilagan, sandali may foul bago nakatira si Alvin.
And it's going to be on Marlo Aquino, which will also give Ginebra San Miguel 3 team fouls. The Pure Foods hot dogs are now playing all Filipino. As you take a look at si Gervin Baito,
yes.
Medyo inaayos ang kanyang knee paddings. Alvin from the outside, not this time.
At merong kinakabit na device doon eh, parang that transmits mga small electrical pulses. Harencio has a hot hand.
Ganado rin si Pido. He has 8 points, no? 8 ba yan?
Tama, Dr. J.
2 triple Bs and 1 jump shot, and that's why Baldabid is still seated on the bench, because Harencio certainly is playing well as the point guard.
Capaccio can't lose the number 12 player of Ginebra. That's Hison. Jerry can't do that step back move of his. The jump shot short. James has it. Here come the Gins, but Alvin says no way. 2 minutes to go. Punsalan in the game. No Butterfingers. Jerry. No rebound. Alvin. Goodbye. Oh, they believe also. They believe.
It's going to be short.
Sumabit si Jerry.
Mabilis talaga ang reaction nito si James. He threw up the shot. And alam nyo naman, pag kayo tumira, alam nyo kung papasok o hindi. So he knew it was not going to go in. Very quick reaction in picking up the loose ball, the rebound, and going for the basket again. Kaya mahirap sabihin, i-backs out mo ang shooter of all players. Kasi alam nila saan malamang tumalbog ang bola.
Sa pagbitaw, alam mo
Yeah, if it's going to be a long one, a short one, Congressman, Senator,
you know, even
You don't lose that naman.
yes,
diba?
Senator Congressman John Osmeña of Cebu, my second home.
Matagal ka ba tumira?
Oh, well, every summer for about 10 years when I was young.
Ah.
For 3 months yan, nandyan ako eh. No?
27-24, lamang ang Ginebra. Sabi ni James, tagtagan natin.
Not a very hard person to guard is Brian Punsalan, kaya medyo nautakan ni James in that last play.
Quezon locks in. Hold it, that won't count.
Alam mo, ang energy ng Ginebra is so pumped up. I think it must have been stored from the last 3 years. Yung kinetic energy, lumalabas na lahat, sumasabog. They are a team that has a lot of energy. That's one thing that a lot of coaches say that Sonny has given this team. No? Yung motivation, yung energy.
Yung pinagsamang never say die spirit at adrenaline. Quezon to the open shot. That will work for Locsin. They like each other.
Ang maganda rin ang linalaro talaga ni Hison. You know, he's making himself a decoy. His defense certainly has improved this year. No? That's
Yes.
something that you have to give that player.
Locsin has knocked in 4 points so far in this quarter, which has only 50 seconds remaining. Alvin really trying to make things happen. Shot didn't work. Jerry says, let me do it.
His first 2 points of the ball game. Yan ang missing link nila. Tama ba yan? First
Yes,
2 points.
yes. Marlo Aquino ang tumanggap. Labas kay Pidol. Feeling good, but this shot does not trickle in. He pass to Glenn Capacio. Glenn's attempt does not work. He had done everything right. Naiwasan na niya si Harencio. James. Fans bristling with excitement. That won't work. Not squared. Recovered by Ginebra. Quezon. That will stay with the Gins.
10.9 seconds left here in this quarter. So Ginebra can go for the last shot. Si Ruben De La Rosa coming in.
Replacing Brian Punsalan. James tinanggap. Yan na lang ang time.
He can fish for a foul here. Alam niya yan eh.
Ayaw. And that's going to be a foul, but no free throws here. Only the 4th team foul.
Pero second personal foul ni Marlo Aquino.
And that will bring this first quarter to its conclusion. 3-point lead by Jaworski's crew. Back in a moment.